Hi everyone, you're all welcome to Mr. Government Skills Acquisition Training Program. Today I'm going to show you how to design a VFX poster for action film industry. This tutorial is for people who want to work in film industries as graphic designers. First of all, download action background in Google Chrome and download John Wick blank background. Then go to PicsArt and click on see all. If you click on see all the pictures that you have downloaded from Google Chrome, it will appear in your gallery. Then click on the action background photo that you have downloaded from Google Chrome. Here's the photo. Then scroll the icons at the bottom and click on add photo. Then select the photo of John Wick, the blank background of John Wick. Here's the photo. Let me select on that one at the bottom. Here's the picture of John Wick that I have downloaded from Google Chrome. Let me click on cut out. Let me click on person. You see, let me click on that eye to view my result. Here's my result. Let me click on that good arrow at the top. Here's the photo of John Wick. Then let me adjust the photo. Let me zoom it. In film industry, the picture is usually placed either at the left hand side or at the center. Let me click on text to add a text. Let me click on this text icon. Let me type John Wick. Let me click on that good arrow at the top. Then let me click on color to add the style on the color. Let me click on gradient. Let me change that white side to red. Let me click on that white side. Let me change that white color to red color. This color style is also good in film industry. Let me add the stroke. Let's click on color, then click on that texture, then click on that image. I'm going to add a photo into my text. I'm going to add action photo into my text. Let me click on that photo. You see, I add action photo into my text. So that is the importance of texture. Let me change the font style by clicking on that tool for font. From Achievable Black, let me change this Bunya. Bunya is not. Let me use Obitron. Let me use Obitron. Obitron will be good in John Wick. Let me click on text to type chapter 4. Let me change the font style for this chapter 4 into Bunya. Bunya will be good in this style. Let me unhighlight the text by clicking on an empty background. Then let me scroll these icons at the bottom and click on lens. Let me add lens. You see, but before you add this lens, you have to on your data. This lens cannot be used without your phone data. Then switch off your phone data after applying your lens. You can click on these circles in your lens to adjust the size of your lens. Then click on that good arrow at the top. Then click on download at the top to save your work. If you like, you can change the position of this lens to be at the back of this guy by clicking on that layer. You see, I changed the position of the layer. Let me click on that layer at the top. Then let me click on move down, move down, move down. You see, the layer has moved to back side. Then you can click on download at the top to save your work into a gallery. Thank you.